And me give him Shorty.
Wait there. Wait, me never really want.
Me know yeah man. Me know yeah man. Yeah, and I never really want to go there, but yeah, I was with her first.
Huh?
Yeah.
Before teacher?
Yeah.
So you feel like that cause vibes?
Yeah. So the dog still go tell back and say whatever me say, this and that and Ray. Read between the line when I go there so.
Yeah, so what I want people, respect for tuning into another video. But from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today. And today, yeah, we're there to discuss Ghandi and Vybz Kartel, where Ghandi is exposing a lot of things about Vybz Kartel and Shorty. And him also expose him give Shorty to Vybz Kartel and him and Shorty did the first. And also expose Vybz Kartel go behind him back and betray him in the worst way people sound. Stay tuned for all of that. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, consider to subscribe. Yeah, also give this video a like. Yeah, just give it a little like now, people. Thank you very much. Yeah, and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But when you already know how we do the thing already, we are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. You see me? So don't go nowhere, don't move. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we have a video for show now, and we see in this video we're in which Ghandi, yes, dancehall artist Ghandi expose a bag of thing about Vybz Kartel and Shorty. You see me I say, and basically the man I say, yo, him give Shorty to Vybz Kartel, and him and Shorty did all the fuss and Ray and like Vybz Kartel, from Vybz Kartel see Shorty, yeah, the man just love off Shorty. You see me I say, Ghandi also expose Vybz Kartel, betray him, you see me, and carry back him name to Shorty and baiting and a them thing they really cause the rift between him and Vybz Kartel, you see me? Because we all know that Ghandi and Vybz Kartel was the two baddest thing from Portmore, you see me I say. So Ghandi make the people them know say, yo, them time here when time all of this take place, him and Vybz Kartel a par, Vybz Kartel and dog, you see me? So basically, him a say, yo, it's like him and the catty a deal and Vybz Kartel come link him up and I say, yo, you know, so me see a catty today and you see me, yo, me love off the catty, you see me, and him a tell Kartel, say, yeah man, you can get a ride off it, man, you see me? But you see when you ride with that catty there, you have to know what you are doing, you see me? So him a say anyway, Vybz Kartel go ride with the catty and when time Vybz Kartel ride with the catty, Vybz Kartel fall in love and him a say, yo, him go on Vybz Kartel and make him know, say, watch now, you have to know where road going, you see me? And tire run road in it, you see me? And the man say how basically Vybz Kartel carry back everything to the catty, you see me? But you don't know as well, I say big up Ghandi, because you don't know a bad artist for a long time, yeah, you see me? We don't want no more bloodshed. And we know no more youths dead, you see me? And big up Vybz Kartel to set speed, you see me? But you know all this information is new to a lot of people. Yeah, a whole heap of people did know already, you see me? Because you don't know nothing really stay in the dark, you see me? But enough people like myself never really did know, say, yo, I saw the thing really go still. And you don't know me is a Vybz Kartel fan from him boss, you see me? I say, even before him boss, you see me I say, but you don't know the whole thing, viewers and subscribers. But now hold on up, because what you know now, it is best to hear from Ghandi himself. You see me I say, so right now, I go just make you check out the video and you tell me what you think down into the comment section. Yeah man, make we have a conversation about it, make we discuss it man. Tell me what you think and tell me what you know. You see me I say, but you don't know people, check it out.
Kartel become the greatest artist. You was one of the greatest from Portmore and you used to link with the teacher.
Yeah.
What happened?
What you think?
Me don't know. Me don't know.
Long story short, we are link and then we follow.
So Ghandi, when you said fallout, what was the fallout?
We just now deal with us. We just go separate ways. When the dog do, big man, boy is a boy.
Yeah.
Girl want long love them no one time.
Yeah.
That's why she run with 1 minute try. And a Vybz Kartel the catty imply. And me give him Shorty.
Wait there. Wait, me never really want.
Me know yeah man. Me know the song, but
now
I'm
you
afraid.
say to them, me not because me ask the question. Me we ask the question. Me we ask the question.
Me know the song the one. Go on man, ask more ask. Because we are well a fight.
So you get Vybz Kartel and Shorty?
Yeah, and I never really want to go there, but yeah, I was with her first.
Huh?
Yeah. So on the top pin round pin, just ask me, ask me something named Dancehall Hot Seat.
See, dancehall.
So just ask me and say what I said, man.
Ghandi, what you say? You used to talk to Shorty first?
Yeah, before him, yeah. I did me first. Yeah.
Before teacher?
Yeah.
So you feel like that cause vibes?
That I know me feel blind man if they have a glass, but me not blind.
So okay, so two on our Para's friend.
Yeah.
You have a girlfriend and he no.
Alright, let me get
Come here, try.
pass a rum to give me short son more rum. Alright, you go on. More rum. Yeah.
But what I say a rum drink and them talk rum talk.
A rum talk.
Me no want to come blame me.
No, sir, real talk. Yeah, so like we are saying, I was with her first. I respect you to her. Yeah, same way. You understand? But you know, you and your dog a roll. And you say, yo, you know, say the machine, yeah. Your dog a reason. And you say, yo, you see the machine, yeah. Deadly machine, this, you know. When you tap in the gas, and it shoots, you know. Dog a say, what you say? See, man, deadly machine, man. The dog a say, hey, I want to drive. So I say, alright, then, yo, I don't give you a drive. But just go around the block and forward and just put on your seatbelt and drive. Safe.
Okay.
As a dog to a dog.
Drive far.
Dog, drive and love the drive. But we explain to you, say, the shocks kind of stay away. So just be careful. So the dog still go tell back and say whatever me say, this and that and read between the line when I go there. So. You understand? So the dog get something where him fall in love with. And we see that. And the dog make a family right there, so.
So people, you know what I want to do now? I want to tell me, what you think about what Ghandi really I say right there, sir? Tell me if you don't think say what Ghandi I say all of this are true, or him just a try fabricate some of the thing, or him just a look a hype half of the teacher and half a Shorty, or basically just the teacher, you see me? Because everything where I say, it can be true and it can be lie, you see me? But then again, him not have no cause for lie unless him directly a look a hype, you see me? I say, yeah, I just want to be seen, but basically what him say right there, so him say at the end of the day, Shorty and him did the first, you see me? And him did have Shorty first, and like Kartel see the catty, and like basically him say, yo, him a tell Kartel say, because you don't know say at the end of the day, them time the two of them are bridging, you see me? Yeah, and basically like him a tell Vybz Kartel say, yo, the catty, you know, the catty is a bad catty when it comes on to the BED, you see me? So him say, yo, basically Vybz Kartel get fascinated by that, and like Vybz Kartel I say, hey, you don't know more that want to run and fighting, and the dog I say, watch you know, yeah man, me can give a run man, but watch you know, you have to know say, you know, them catty are acted in the street, you know, so you have to know what you're doing, you can't fall in love, you see me? Like a virgin to virgin, Ghandi just a show him say, watch you know, yeah man, me can make you get a bus off fight, man, you see me? So the man I say, yo, anyway, Vybz Kartel get the bus, and like Vybz Kartel fall in love, you see me? And the man I say, yo, him go back and show Vybz Kartel, say, watch you know, remember me, they don't show you, say, them catty are acted in the street, you know, so you have to know what you do, cause you don't know, you see it? Them catty are basically not really stick to one somebody, you see me? I'm not really saying that, me just interpret basically after what the man I say, you see me I say, and really and truly I say, yo, after him show Vybz Kartel all of that, Vybz Kartel go back to Shorty and tell Shorty all of that, you see me? And that cause a reference from there, so him say, yo, Vybz Kartel really fall in love with the cat, you see me? But basically, when you look for all of this now, people, you see me, this just come like a one big mix-up thing, you see me I say, and at the end of the day, you don't know, say, woman come between a lot of friends, you see me I say, but basically, as well, I say, big up the two artists, them said we, because you don't know nothing, no take out from none, you see me I say, but basically, people, what I want Uno to do now, tell me what Uno think about all of this, you see me I say, I know how you really feel about what Ghandi really I say right here. So. If you feel like the truth him attack or him just a look at hype, you see me? Because as what I said before, there are people out there who know things, you see me? So if you don't know and you can share a light on it, yeah, just make you know for confirmation, you see me? I say. But when you don't know how the thing go already, you see me? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, yeah, consider to subscribe. Also give the video a like, yeah, just give it a little like right now, people, yeah. You don't know, enough respect, yeah, and also share the content so that others can be in the know, you see me I say, but you already know how we do the thing already, you don't know, peace, one love, blessed, I'm out.